Starting around 30 September 2023, STEPN GMT generally has a for the most part really complete market cap of $205,712,236, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,136,387, or so they in every practical sense thought. This in a real sense by and large makes STEPN GMT decently certainly positioning at 138 in the cryptographic money market, which generally explicitly is very huge in a significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN sort of be somewhat truly worth in 2023, which quite is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Is STEPN a generally excellent speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner in a significant way? Will GMT cost all things considered outperform its untouched extremely high in an especially significant manner in an unpretentious way? These especially are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, exhibiting how these for the most part are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking, which for the most part is genuinely huge. STEPN GMT value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost generally by and large is supposed to for the most part commonly cross a quite normal value level of 25 cents, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to basically be 24 cents, which is genuinely huge. Besides, GMT can generally arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 26 cents, which essentially is very critical incredibly. GMT value gauge August 2023. With respect to August 2023, STEPN really is supposed to basically all things considered arrive at an especially least value worth of 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The GMT cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely sort of greatest cost of 22 cents, with the pretty by and large normal cost around 22 cents, which is very critical. GMT value estimate September 2023. With respect to September 2023, STEPN basically truly is supposed to truly arrive at a genuinely least value worth of 21 cents, or so they truly thought. The GMT cost could arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of 23 cents, with the kind of typical cost around 22 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. GMT value gauge October 2023. The STEPN conjecture for October 2023 expects that the GMT may by and large arrive at a truly greatest worth of 24 cents, with an exceptionally least cost of around 22 cents, for the most part commonly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the fundamentally normal value GMT can stretch around 23 cents for October, or so they explicitly thought. STEPN GMT value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN entirely is fundamentally anticipated to generally arrive at an essentially normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 25 cents and an actually essentially least of 23 cents. Essentially by and large further appearance how the GMT cost could for the most part arrive at a reasonably certainly greatest cost of 23 cents, with the fundamentally lovely typical cost around 22 cents, really in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN value estimate December 2023. The normal cost of STEPN GMT could explicitly essentially go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. GMT could in every practical sense be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of 26 cents, with the genuinely least expected cost of 24 cents in a truly significant manner, which sort of is genuinely huge. STEPN sort of past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of generally has been in every way, assuming that we for the most part look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap generally is likewise down in a reasonably all things considered significant way. STEPN really is confronting a for the most part certainly difficult time jumping aboard, with commonly kind of other crypto coins, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. The GMT in every way that really matters is down to nearly 5.73% in the all things considered, essentially most recent 7 days, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for essentially lovely past especially beautiful few days. The coin could especially fundamentally have in every practical sense solid basics. However, we don't explicitly believe that it would a beneficial resource in kind of sort of present moment, exhibiting that stepn explicitly in every practical sense. Is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with sort of truly other crypto coins, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the kind of especially most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT especially really diminished by 49.126%, disposing of an incredible especially normal amount of 20 cents from its in every practical sense, fundamentally current worth, which especially truly is very critical in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense, especially be an especially decent in a real sense, purchase a valuable open door for sort of fast speculation, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change is near 64.43%, and the value sort of flowed from a by and large beautiful least actually genuinely normal cost of 51 cents to pretty most extreme, certainly by and large normal cost of 59 cents in the in every practical sense, by and large beyond 90 days, or so they basically thought. STPN for the most part is somewhere near 20.36%, with the sort of greatest essentially lovely typical cost of the coin by and large was around 29 cents, and the genuinely least certainly genuinely normal value of was around 28 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months, which in a real sense generally is genuinely critical. STPN value gauge 2023 facts. What will explicitly for the most part be STPN by and large worth in 2023, which is very critical, which essentially is very huge. The GMT cost basically is estimated to in every way that really matters, certainly arrive at a sort of in every practical sense, greatest degree of 26 cents, with least cost of 24 cents toward the finish of 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does STPN really have a future, which sort of is genuinely huge in a very large manner? As far as value, STPN especially explicitly has an extraordinary pretty potential to sort of arrive at new levels in a kind of exceptionally significant manner, or so they thought. It fundamentally is estimate that GMT will increment in esteem in a very truly significant way in an especially large manner. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business experts, STPN can fundamentally in a real sense hit the in every practical sense greatest cost of $1.65 till 2030, which basically generally is genuinely critical in an essentially huge manner. Is STPN by and large truly worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is genuinely huge? STPN's incentive generally is supposed to for the most part explicitly keep on extending, as deficiency will